you go, bitch. Who the fuck is that?
Don't worry about it.
What's wrong with his eye?
He sneezed while he was eating my pussy. He's on the mend.
Supposed to make me jealous?
Nah, it just does.
Hey, I'm Cal.
No one is talking to you.
All right, fucking looking right at
Are you just gonna roll up your window?
Sorry?
You will be! Hey, how about a parting gift? Just 1 second, it's gonna be great, you're gonna love it! Just stay right there! Got something great for you!
What's going on? This guy.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Try rolling up your window now! Try it!
The fuck was that?
That was a strike! A fastball right down the middle, and you're out!
Carla, get in the car! Just so you know, I got stung by a hornet! I wasn't eating her pussy!
Yeah, sure, man! Can we get back together?
No.